Wild Badger Power 26 cubic centimeters, dominate the undergrowth with wild power. Tired of fighting stubborn weeds invading your garden? It's time to equip yourself with the indomitable beast that will conquer it. The Wild Badger Power 26 cubic centimeters brush cutter arrives roaring to become your perfect ally in the battle for an impeccable garden. Feel the power in your hands. Its 26 cubic centimeters engine roars strongly, unleashing indomitable power that cuts through even the most resistant weeds as if it were butter. Say goodbye to tall grasses, unruly bushes and thick bushes. The Wild Badger Power is not afraid of any challenge. Limitless versatility. More than just a brush cutter, this wild beast transforms into 4 tools in one: string trimmer, edger, blade brush cutter and pole saw. Conquer any terrain and dominate weeds in all their forms. Light as a feather, powerful as lightning, its ergonomic design and light weight of only 4.5 kilograms allow you to maneuver it with ease, even on difficult terrain. No more exhausting efforts, just the pleasure of seeing your garden free of weeds. Quality that roars with confidence. Made with high-quality materials and designed to last, the Wild Badger Power will accompany you in your battles against weeds for years. A worthwhile investment. Value for money that will leave you roaring with satisfaction. For an incredibly affordable price, you get a powerful, versatile, and durable tool that will transform your garden. You won't find anything better on the market. But be careful, this wild beast is not for everyone. Its power and versatility make it an ideal tool for experienced users looking for maximum performance. If you are a beginner, a simpler option may suit you. Limited availability, don't miss out on yours. The Wild Badger Power is a limited edition that flies off the shelves. Don't miss the opportunity to acquire this indomitable beast and conquer your garden. Social proof that roars on its own. My garden has never looked so good. The Wild Badger Power is an incredible beast. It cuts through everything in its path effortlessly. Juan Perez, professional gardener. It is the perfect tool for difficult jobs. I have used it to clear vacant land and it has worked perfectly. Maria Garcia, owner of a farm. Unbeatable quality-price ratio. I have not found anything better on the market for this price. Carlos Lopez, DIY enthusiast. Are you ready to unleash the wild power in your garden? Get your Wild Badger Power today and dominate the weeds like a true champ. Tune. Share. More_vert